Network topology, when it comes to distributed system, distributed operating system, we talk about network topology, and this topology is very important because the sites in the system, they can be physically connected in different ways. There are different type of architecture or say structure in which these sites can be connected, and the criteria on the basis of how they need to be connected, it can be installation cost, it can be communication cost, or availability or reliability. So installation cost means how expensive is to link the various sites in the system. Communication cost means from sending message from A to B, how long does it take? Availability and reliability, if one site fails, then can the other site, they can still communicate. And there are various topology, as we see here. This is fully connected. Every site is connected to the other site. Here we have partially connected, some are not connected. This is tree structured. This is star network, means all are connected via a single one or middle one. Ring means all are connected through a ring. This is a ring structure. So the number of links, if it grows as the square of the number of sites. So that will result in huge cost of the installation. What are the criteria of comparing now the different configuration? If we watch or observe them very carefully, because we have learned this in networks also, computer networks. If we talk about the installation costs, being tree structure, this gives you low installation cost, but because we want to connect every system to every system or site, the installation cost is high in fully connected networks. When it comes to communication cost, it is quite low for tree structured network, low for star network, but for ring networks it's quite high. Availability, ring network, it's quite high, but for tree structured network, if one end or edge break, then other will be away, or you can say they will not be available, or they will not be taking part in the communication. Now in the communication structure, the design of communication network, it should or must address certain issues, certain basic issues. First is naming and name resolution, means how two processes they are going to communicate to each other. What are the routes? What are the routing strategies? How are messages being sent on the network? The packets, they are sent individually or say in a sequence, that is packet strategy. Connection strategy means how do different two processes send a sequence of message, and then the contention, if we have resource which is being shared, then if conflicting demands arise, how we are going to resolve it.